To start your actual digital portfolio, we need to free up the link that we've got right now for you. It's being used at the moment by your period, computer number, 2021, and your initials. So what we need to do is change this so that this address is free. We can change that by simply typing it in again and adding the number 2 after it. So MH2. When we do a search, of course, it will also be available. And once we change it and we're done, we'll be able to make our new site using the proper link. How do we do that? Well, let's close this website. And go to My Site in the upper right-hand corner. It'll say whatever it does right here. Instead of signing out, we're going to use the Add Site. It's going to be a regular website, and you're going to choose anything but this one. And don't do the blog ones. They're really not set up for the kind of work that we're going to do. You do not have to choose portfolio. You're really not looking at what the picture is or even like how it's arranged on the screen. We're going to delete all the pages. What you're looking at is how is the menu presented, what colors are used for the fonts, and what fonts are in use. So you find one that you like, you can actually preview and take a look at what the different things, but again, we're going to delete all of this stuff, so it doesn't matter what's on there. It's what it looks like overall, and especially how the menu is arranged and the fonts and colors. So if you don't like that one, you can look through all of these different ones. Photography isn't bad. Portfolios work pretty well, but again, we're getting rid of all this stuff. So let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and start editing this, because I like having the menu over here in the upper right-hand corner, and it seems to draw a little box around what you've selected. And we're going to put in the same address, 1-31, 2021, and my initials. And when it does a search, it will not already have been taken. If you've gotten locked out of an account and you need to start over, then you need to talk to me about adding a middle initial or something so we can have the right link. Having chosen that and click Done, it's now time to look at the pages that are here and delete them. So I'll start at the bottom with the contact, and I'm simply going to delete the entire thing. So you could delete all the pieces and then delete the page, but in the interest of time, I'm simply going to remove everything that was on here before, including the home, but of course we'll need a home page. So stick with the standard pages, and then your choices are really, some of them have a header or no header. Some of them have a really small header. Your home page could be a splash screen where it's like mostly one thing, but make sure that this says home. Once you've done that, you can go back and change elements about it, but I'm going to get rid of the original home. There are two other pages that we can go ahead and add right now because we know that we're going to need one for My Favorite Things. And we're going to need one for the About page. So now we've got our basic structure here for the pages. We've got blank area. We're going to change this background picture, but we are ready now to make sure and publish, because when I click on that link, I need it to bring up your new website that's got a new template that does not show Wagon Paws. And that gets us started.